Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma and today we are going to study multiple choice questions from In the Kingdom of Fools, Moments, chapter number 4. So let's begin without any delay. Question number 1 is on your screen. What kind of story is this? You have to answer what kind of story is the Kingdom of Fools? Folk tale, mock tale, humorous, serious. So what is our answer? Folk tale. The correct option is folk tale. Question number 2. What does this story speak about? The story A. Kings, B. Kings and their ministers, C. A kingdom ruled by a foolish king and his silly minister. So what is our correct option? C. A kingdom ruled by a foolish king and his silly minister. Question number 3. What is the theme of this lesson? This is similar to question number 2. What is the theme? Foolish people are unpredictable and dangerous. Kings are dangerous. Gurus are wise. Have good friends. Foolish people are unpredictable and dangerous. How are the foolish people? Unpredictable and dangerous. Question number 4. Why are the people in the kingdom called foolish? What is the reason the people in the kingdom called foolish? Options are because they follow all the ridiculous orders passed by their king, B. Because they listen to their king, because they do silly things, because they are foolish. So, what is our correct option? Our correct option is A. Because they follow all the ridiculous orders passed by their king. Let's see question number 5. What is the message of the story? What is the message given by this story? Option A. Be wise and stay away from foolish people. Listen to the kings. Kings are fools. None. So, what is our correct option? Hopefully, you have answered it. Be wise and stay away from foolish people. Next question. Question number 6. Who were the idiots? Who were the idiots? King and his minister, people, gurus, all. So, what is our correct option? King and his minister. Next one. What did the king and his minister decide to change? What was their decision? क्या डिसाइड किया उन्होंने चेंज करने का? People, customs, night with day. Yes, night with day. They decided to change night with day. Next one, question number 8. How was the night changed with day? How did they change? What was the order passed by the king? Options: people would work at night and sleep during day, by lighting the kingdom, by decorating everything. None. So, what is our correct option? A. People would work at night and sleep during day. Next one, question number 9. Why were the people obeying the king's orders? आखिर क्या डर था उनको, क्यों वो ओबे कर रहे थे पुलिस किंग के ऑर्डर्स को? Fear of death, willingly, because of respect, none. मौत के डर से, इच्छा से उसको रेस्पेक्ट करते थे. So what is our correct option? Fear of death. Next one, question number 10. Who visited the kingdom? Who arrived in the kingdom one day? कौन आया? कौन से दो लोग आए? Options: a guru and his disciple, a king from another kingdom, a merchant, a princess. Hopefully, you have answered it. A guru and his disciple. Next one. What did the guru and his disciple find at the grocery shop? क्या मिला उनको ग्रोसरी शॉप पे, क्या स्पेसिफिक चीज मिली? Why did the guru wonder? A. Many beautiful things. Same price for all the things. A duddu. None. So what is our correct option? Same price for all the things, and that was a duddu. Next one. Why did the guru decide to leave the place? Why he decided to leave the place? Options: because of some urgent work, he had a message to leave the place, C. King ordered to leave the place, D. Because he thought that it was not safe to be with fools for a long time. So what is our correct option? Option number D. Because he thought that it was not safe to be with fools for a long time. Next one. What did the guru tell his disciple? Options. गुरु ने आखिर अपने डिसाइपल को क्या कहा? The people were innocent. The city was full of surprises. Behavior of police is unpredictable, and it was not safe to live with them. None. So what is our correct option? Yes, C. Behavior of police is unpredictable, and it was not safe to live with them. Next one, question number 14. Who broke into the merchant's house? कौन घुसाया एक दिन मर्चेंट के घर में? King, silly minister, disciple, a thief? A thief. So what is our correct option? A thief. Next one, 15. How did the thief enter the merchant's house? कैसे घर में घुसा वो मर्चेंट के, व्यापारी के? Jumping the wall from the back door by making a hole into the wall? None. By making a hole into the wall, and he sneaked into the house of the merchant. Question number 16. What killed the thief after the loot? जब वो चोरी करके बाहर निकल रहा था तो क्या हुआ उसके साथ, कैसे वो मरा? A man stabbed him. एक आदमी ने उसको चाकू मार दिया? नहीं. A knife? No. Wall of the old house fell on his head and killed him. So this is our correct option. Whom did the thief's brother blame for the death of the thief? किसको ब्लेम किया अपने भाई के मौत के लिए? डेस्टिनी, भाग्य को, पीपल, लोगों को, मर्चेंट, ऑल? किसको? सी, मर्चेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Whom did the merchant hold responsible for the thief's death and saved his own life? अब मर्चेंट किसको ब्लेम करता है? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं एग्जाम में कि मर्चेंट ने किसको ब्लेम किया, डांसिंग गर्ल ने किसको ब्लेम किया, गोल्ड स्मिथ ने किसको ब्लेम किया? Whom did the merchant hold responsible for the thief's death and saved his own life? His father. The mason who built the wall. His forefathers? None. So what is our option? The mason who built the wall. Next one. How did the bricklayer save his life? ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी पूछा जा सकता है आपसे कि उसने किसको ब्लेम किया? Our options are: by putting the blame on the merchant, by putting the blame on the dancing girl, by putting the blame on a hawker, by putting the blame on his father. So what is our correct option? By putting the blame on the dancing girl, that is B. अब dancing girl किसको blame करेगी? How did the dancing girl save herself? वो किसको blame करके अपने आप को बचाती है? उसने किसको blame किया था? गोल्ड स्मिथ को. By putting the blame on the goldsmith. Next one. What did the merchant plead? Merchant ने क्या याचना की? It was his father's deal and not his. It was goldsmith's fault. It was bricklayer's fault. So what did he plead? It was his father's deal and not his. So what is our correct option? It was his father's deal and not his. Next one, question number 22. What argument did the king present to punish the merchant? What was the argument given by the king to punish the merchant? Options: he inherited his father's sin in the same way as he inherits his wealth. He must sacrifice for his father's sake. He must accomplish his father's half done works. None. So option number A is the correct option for us. Next one. Why was the merchant not executed? What was the reason he was not executed? Because he was too thin to fit in the stake. वो स्टेक पे चढ़ाए जाने के लिए, सूली चढ़ाए जाने के लिए बहुत दुबला पतला था. In this way he saved. Question number 24. Whom did the king decide to execute in the place of the merchant? अब किसको वो मारने वाले हैं, किसको सूली चढ़ाने वाले हैं उस मर्चेंट की जगह पे, क्योंकि किसी ना किसी को तो मरना ही था. A man who became fat because of eating, a poor man, merchant's relative, none. So what is our correct option? A man who became fat because of eating. And who was this? The disciple. Question number 25. Whom did the sannyasi pray in his heart before being executed? किसको याद किया चेले ने, उस सन्यासी ने एग्जीक्यूट होने से पहले? गॉड, हिज डिसीज्ड फादर, मरे हुए पिता को, गुरु को. किसको याद किया? गुरु को. ही रिमेम्बर्ड हिज guru. He prayed to his guru to save his life. Question number 26. How did guru realize his disciples plight and reach to save him in the kingdom? कैसे जान गए गुरु जी अपने चेले के कष्ट को और उसको बचाने पहुंच गए किंगडम में? With his magical power and vision, a disciple informed him, a spy helped him, all. So what is our correct option? A. With his magical power and vision. Next one, 27. What did the guru plead to the king? गुरु ने राजा से क्या आग्रह किया, क्या करना चाहिए? To kill him first and later his disciple. The king was great, admired the king, none. So what was the request? The request was to kill him first and later his disciple. पहले मुझे सूली पे चढ़ा दीजिए, उसके बाद मेरे चेले को. What made the king and his silly minister go for the stake first? आखिर ऐसा क्या हो गया कि राजा और मंत्री ही स्टेक पे चढ़ गए? Guru's words and their own foolishness, their greed, their foolishness, none. Guru's words and their own foolishness. गुरु की बातें, जिन्होंने ऐसी बातें कहीं और उनकी खुद की मूर्खता की वजह से वो सूली चढ़ गए. Question number 29. How did the king and his men make the guru and his disciple free? राजा और उनके लोगों ने कैसे गुरु और चेले को छोड़ दिया? By disguising themselves as criminals, अपने आप को क्रिमिनल का रूप बना. By making them run from the place, by passing orders, none. So what is our correct option? By disguising themselves as criminals. Next one, that is question number 30. On what condition did the guru agree to be the next king? किस शर्त पे माने गुरुजी कि वो अगले राजा बनेंगे? If his disciple would be a minister, if he could order without thinking, if the old laws are changed. So what was his condition? If old laws are changed, he agreed to be the next king. Question number 31, that is second last in this video. What was the price of all things in the kingdom of fools? It's very easy. We have already discussed, one दुद्धू each. और ये दुद्धू क्या है? कन्नड़ा में एक करेंसी है. Now last question. According to the guru, whose behavior is unpredictable? गुरु के अनुसार किसका व्यवहार अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है? किंग का, पीपुल का, फूलिश पीपुल का, डिसाइपल का. सो व्हाट इज आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन? फूलिश पीपल्स.